viewers, this is Veena. Welcome to Patter Cake. Today let's make a creamy, delicious brinjal green masala curry. It's one of those tasty Goan curries made with the Goan green masala. So let's start making it. We'll begin by extracting some coconut milk from almost a cup, say 4/5 of a cup of grated fresh coconut. From this, I've extracted 3/4 of a cup of thick coconut milk and half a cup of thin coconut milk. If you want to see how this is done, please check out my video on how to make Goan Brinjal, a delicious Goan dessert. The link is up here and in the description box below. Next, we'll prepare the Goan green masala. The main ingredient here is a small bunch of coriander leaves. Try and find coriander that has long stems, longer than these. This being the monsoon season, coriander is in short supply, and so I had to buy whatever was available in the market. But the stems add flavor to the curry. I have washed these well with plenty of water and will now roughly chop the leaves and the stems. This could measure around half a cup. An optional ingredient would be around 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. Let's add these to a grinder jar along with 3 to 4 green chillies chopped. I've used 3 chillies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 15 peppercorns, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of kitchen king masala or garam masala. If you want to know how to make either of these 2 masalas at home, please check the link for my homemade Indian masalas video added up here and in the description box below. Though this ingredient is optional and is not a traditional ingredient, it could enhance the taste of the curry. We'll also need 8 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger sliced. Let's add all of this to the grinder jar. And also add 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. In place of vinegar, you could add a small marble-sized ball of tamarind or 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice, along with a 1/4 cup of water to start with, to make a thin paste, like this. I've transferred the green masala to a bowl. With the same masala, you could make a Goan chicken, beef or fish green curry. Now we'll move on to our star ingredient, brinjals. Here I have 350 grams of small brinjals. You could also use small green brinjals in this recipe. I'll cut off the stalks and now I'll wash the brinjals and be back. To this bowl, I'll add 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's slice each brinjal into 4 pieces. We are going to add these to the salt water to keep them from becoming discolored. Next, we'll finely chop a medium-sized onion for making the curry. To this pot that's heating on a medium flame, I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil and then add in the chopped onion. Let's saute it till it just starts turning brown. And then add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute these two for a few seconds. Now we'll remove the brinjal pieces from the salt water and add them to the fried onions. Let's saute these for a couple of minutes and then add the thin coconut milk and a little water. When the liquid starts boiling, we'll cover the pot and cook the brinjals on low heat for around 7 minutes or till almost done. A gentle reminder to please like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes like this. It's been 7 minutes. So now we'll add in the green masala and the rinsing of the grinder jar and stir everything. You could add a little water if necessary. Now let's increase the heat to medium. Bring the curry to a boil and then lower the heat again and add the thick coconut milk and half a teaspoon of salt. Let's give everything a good stir. We'll now cook the brinjals for 2 more minutes or till done. The brinjals have cooked perfectly. It's now time to taste the curry to see if it needs more salt, sugar or vinegar. It's delicious, simply delicious. But I think it needs just a little salt and a little sugar. Finally, we'll turn off the heat. We'll now set the curry aside for around 20 minutes to let the brinjals absorb all the flavors of the curry and then plate it. And garnish it with chopped coriander. You could enjoy this curry with rice or chapatis. Either way, you're going to love this finger-licking good Goan Brinjal green curry. Do give it a shot and let me know how you like it, okay? Bye for now. Until we meet again, happy cooking!